decking itself is probably the most visible part of the deck project, but the railings come in at a close second, so it's important that they look good. Now, the rails are also incredibly important for the safety of your deck, so they have to be built right. We started by installing the 4x4 posts that will support the rails before the decking was installed. Now, those are going to extend 36 inches above the deck to meet our local code. Be sure to check the code in your area before you make those cuts. We secured them with 1/2 inch through bolts from the outside, so all you can see on the face of this deck is a clean bolt head. On the inside, we used 2 deck tension ties on the railing posts that run parallel to the joist. This ensures that the posts are as strong as the rest of the deck. These posts are spaced evenly along our deck, but the maximum space that you can have between posts is going to depend on the post material that you use, so be sure to check with your local code. Our handrails will be made up of 4 parts: a top and bottom rail made from 2x4s, the balusters, which are 2x2s, and then a rail cap, which is another piece of our 2x6 decking material. To get to the right number of balusters, we need to do a little math. There are apps to help with this, or you could find the formula on YellaWood.com. The important thing is that the space between the balusters is less than 4 inches to meet your code. We lay out the baluster locations on the top and bottom rails at the same time for consistency. We're then using 4x4s to space the bottom rail up off the deck, and the top rail is going to be then flush with the top of the post. We're drilling pilot holes into the 2x2s so they don't split, and as we screw them in place, we want to be sure that they're plumb. The rail caps go next, and where they meet at the corners, we're going to miter those cuts so that the railings have a more finished appearance. So like I said, the railings on the deck help define its style. This is a more traditional look, but you could go with something a little bit more contemporary, or even a cabled rail system that's going to help with a less obstructed view. Either way, find something that you like, make sure it meets your local building code, and make the deck your own.